In this video, I'm going to show you how to start and run a Django project. First, you go to a terminal, and I always recommend to use a virtual environment. To create a new virtual environment, you run the command virtual env and the name of the virtual environment. I like to use Python and the version of the Python, so I know it. I run 3.64. When that's created, you can go into it and activate it by running source bin activate. And you can see it added this in front, and that means that the virtual environment is activated. We can then install Django by running pip install Django. You can see here it's installed version 3.05, and it also installed some other dependencies. When Django is finished installing, we can create a project by running Django admin.py, start project, and the name of the project, which will be testing. When the project is created, we can go into the directory, and we can see here that we have some files for Django. Then we can try to run the project by typing python manage.py run server. You can then see we have an address here and that the server is running. You can then go to Chrome and check it out. Just paste the address here and hit enter. The install worked successfully. Now we have a running Django project.